Hey guys, Storm here with TechAirs.com. As you just saw, we unboxed the new 24-inch two-stage snowblower from Ego. It's one of their new battery-powered snowblowers for the 2023 season. Inside the box, we'll kind of go over what you get. You get your dual batteries. You get your dual battery charger. You get your instruction manual with all your warranty card information. These guys are the 56-volt lithium-ion batteries. They are the 10 amp hour. There are a variety of different batteries from Ego. This will be the 10 amp hour. So if you've got a set of these already around, these will work inside of your 24-inch blower. Only mention that because you can actually get this in two models. You can get it with the batteries or without the batteries. So if you already got a stockpile of these guys, you don't have to buy the more expensive version with the batteries included. On the batteries, you got your charger down here on the bottom. You have your charge reticle here at the top. These are in 20% increments. We just unboxed this up and have charged these up yet, but it looks like it comes about 40% charge. On the blower itself, you got a couple of different things you can take a look at. First, you'll have your air-filled tires that are very, very knobby and very, very thick. They should grab the snow very well. Across the top here, we've got your handles and all of your controls. So you've got your speed control here for reverse, high, low. That will be controlled by pressing this lever down. This lever on the bottom on the left-hand side will help you turn the machine left because it is steerable. On the right, this one will fire up the auger and get it moving, which is also controlled by a lever, which has turbo and echo mode. And then on the right-hand side, you got a handle as well that'll help steer the machine to your right. In the center, we'll have a power button. Press and hold that to turn it on. We'll have a light as well as heated handles, so these do heat up. And when you turn it on, you'll press and hold it for a few seconds, same with turning it back off. We'll show you that in a minute. This joystick here at the top is going to be to control your thrower. You do need to press down on the green button in order to get it to go left and right. It is controlled by cables, so it's not electronic, but it will let you go 200 degrees in each direction as well as throw out around 50 feet. So if you're pushing snow, you should be able to launch that about 50 feet. Down here in the front is going to be your 24-inch auger. We got headlights here as well as lights up here. This is going to be the battery compartment. We'll go ahead and slide those batteries in for you right now. They just click down just like that. They're rated to clear a 24-car driveway with 8 inches of snow before they need to be recharged. It's a very, very big driveway from what I understand. I have a very small driveway, holds 2 cars, probably take me 4 passes. Up in the front, you also have your clear out tool. It'll help you knock out any built up snow or ice that you might run into or experience. We'll go ahead and power it on real quick. And that's going to be your first setting for your headlights. Hopefully I'll get things out of the way there. Second setting for headlights. We'll go ahead and fire up the auger on low. Turn it up nice and slow. Out of the turbo. And then forward, reverse. We'll go high. That goes pretty fast. It's going to get around quickly as well. You can hear me dragging a little bit of metal. You can see down here at the bottom, you do have adjustable height settings in order to get it off of the ground so that you aren't getting gravel or rocks or anything depending upon the terrain that you're trying to do. So that'll be your 24-inch two-stage snowblower from Ego with the batteries. Looks pretty cool. Should be a lot of fun this winter. Hopefully it snows pretty soon so we can test it out and kind of let you know how it works.